You pick up a cheap bowl at the supermarket. It looks harmless, smooth, glossy, maybe even beautifully decorated. You bring it home, use it every day, serve hot soup, rice, and curry in it. But what if that same bowl is quietly leaching harmful substances into your food every single day? This isn't fear-mongering. It's something food safety experts have warned about for years. Not all bowls are made equal, and some low-quality products can release harmful chemicals or heavy metals, especially when exposed to heat, acidic food, or long-term wear. If you care about your family's health, here are 4 types of bowls you should think twice about before buying. First, cheap melamine bowls. Melamine tableware is popular because it's lightweight and durable. But low-quality melamine products can release small amounts of chemicals like formaldehyde when exposed to high heat. Choose food-grade, BPA-free melamine that feels thick, solid, odorless, and clearly labeled. Avoid overly cheap, brightly colored, or unlabeled products. More importantly, even good melamine becomes a problem over time. Once the surface gets scratched, worn, or dull, it's easier for chemicals to leach out and for bacteria to accumulate. If your melamine bowl has visible scratches, don't keep using it. Replace it immediately, and never use melamine for very hot foods or in microwaves. Second, porcelain bowls with decorative colors on the inside. A beautifully decorated bowl might look premium, but if the colorful design is on the inside where food touches, you should be cautious. Some low-quality or poorly regulated products may use glazes that contain heavy metals, like lead or cadmium. These can migrate into food, especially when holding hot or acidic dishes. This doesn't mean all decorated porcelain is unsafe, but if the bowl has bright inner patterns, no safety label, and unknown origin, it's better to avoid it. Safer designs usually keep decoration on the outside only. Third, cracked or worn-out ceramic bowls. Even high-quality ceramic bowls don't last forever. Once a bowl is cracked, chipped, or heavily scratched, the protective glaze is compromised. This not only allows bacteria to grow more easily, but may also increase the chance of substances leaching into food. If you see visible damage, don't hesitate, replace it. Fourth, cheap metal bowls with unknown material. Metal bowls are not the problem, unknown materials are. Very cheap metal bowls without labeling may be made from low-grade or mixed alloys. These can react with acidic or salty foods, potentially releasing harmful cancer-causing substances. For safer choices, go for food-grade stainless steel, especially 304 or 316 stainless steel, which are known for their stability, corrosion resistance, and safety for daily food use. So what should you choose instead? Look for bowls that are clearly labeled as food safe, from reputable brands, and made with materials like certified ceramic, glass, or high-quality stainless steel. Avoid anything suspiciously cheap with no product information. Because here's what most people don't realize. It's not about one meal. It's about thousands of meals over years. A tiny risk, repeated daily, quietly adds up. The bowl you use today may look harmless, but over time, it could become something far more dangerous. So next time you're at the supermarket, remember, saving a few dollars isn't worth risking what you can't see.